Activity 6.2. This experiment says that photosynthesis requires carbon dioxide. Like chlorophyll, carbon dioxide is also very much necessary for photosynthesis. And in this experiment, 2 potted plants have been taken and they have been kept for 3 days in a dark room. After that, they have been taken outside in sunlight for 2 hours. They are covered with bell jars, and in one of the potted plant there is sodium hydroxide in a jar that is kept nearby that plant, and that is covered with a bell jar, and another plant do not contain anything. Now this plant is undergoing the process of photosynthesis, but in this case potassium hydroxide absorbs all the carbon dioxide that is released by the plant, and that is present inside the bell jar, because potassium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide. In this case, there will be no photosynthesis. Now, if we have to taste the presence of a starch, we can take the 2 leaves and we can undergo through the iodine test. So, iodine, when we will use iodine solution, this leaf will not turn blue-black in color because no starch was made. As there was no carbon dioxide, no photosynthesis takes place, and that's why no starch was made. But this will show the blue-black color. We can say that carbon dioxide is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Based on the 2 activities performed above, can we design an experiment to demonstrate that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis? We can say that photosynthesis requires raw materials such as chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, and other minerals also. So far we have talked about how autotrophs meet their energy requirements, but they also need other raw materials for building their body. Water used in photosynthesis is taken up from the soil by the roots in the terrestrial plants. Other minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, iron are also taken up from the soil. We can say that along with water, other minerals also taken from the roots through soil. Nitrogen is an essential element used in the synthesis of proteins and other compounds. This is taken in the form of nitrites, nitrates. So all these elements are used for the plant's overall growth. They all are required